That's how I usually get close with the 4-jaw before I start indicating it. I just put the dead center in the hole and run that sucker in and run the jaws up until they all touch. And I'm going to go in there and put this old back plunging indicator on there because I got to be able to get deep in that hole there. So we had to use the back plunger. Old school, buddy.
Somebody got to do this shit.
Keep stopping it, right?
Yeah, you're making sure that once you hit here, and you're also checking to make sure you've got enough build up. Or at least that would be my guess.
I'm not worried about the builder, but I just don't want to go too far past the original face.
Yeah.
I don't care how much the rest of it cleans up, as long as there's enough in there for me to cut like the broom.
Yeah, which it looks like he just barely put enough on there to do it.
So that's all that was there, was just barely enough. That's why it broke in the first place.
Man, just a hair more.
No, that'd be enough.
Would be sufficient, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what I like? How awesome it is, like, when you have the skill sets to take care of shit, you know? But most other people would just be like, that's fucked.
99% of the population would say that's fucked. I say that's $700. It ain't fucked. I'm gonna fix it. Fucked my ass. I ain't got that kind of money to just throw shit in the trash. I fix shit. And what's the worst that can happen? I fuck it up. It's already fucked up, right? Who gives a shit?
How much? Was it interrupted?
Because this is what matters.
Oh. How far in are you? Okay. You can't really see the groove anymore.
Yeah, you see it right here. I told them to leave me a little.
No, I remember
a
that
little
part.
patch,
That's
so-
why I was looking for it.
No, you see it.
Oh man, okay, just barely.
What do you use this for? What are you using that? You did that for the inner bore,
Get inside that bore.
just to make sure you're on.
Yeah.
Be concentric.
So I could indicate it with that forward drill. Because you didn't have, it was so bumpy here, you couldn't use a regular indicator. So this is a back plunge indicator.
I have
So you
one of
can
those. That's why
stick
I was
that
like-
bitch all the way
I've never
up in.
used it. I didn't know what to use
That's,
it for.
that's what you'd use it for, is to stick up in that bore. Because I could get behind the weld to use the
And it
mat.
can ride over fucking whatever.
Well, it can, yeah. I mean, it moves. See how much it moves.
With a fucking punch?
Well, whatever the fuck it takes.
Okay, I don't know. I mean, I'm just saying.
It's
I
a-
mean, this operation, bit sketch.
It's just a. Talking about using a punch as a spacer.
Yeah.
But.
Oh yeah, I just touched the harmony first and just go.
You need to use the